let's create a soft body. So I'm going to do Shift A, Mesh Plane S, scale it out, GZ, and I'm going to go here, going to click on the cube, Physics, and what we want is soft body, but the floor, what we want is collision. So if I hit play, we can see that it kind of just bounces. So let's click on this, and what we want to do is deselect the goal, go here, play, and now it's actually on the plane. So what's really cool about this is you can actually see it's squashing and stretching. Now let's add a subdivision. Let's do subdivision surface as a simple, increase the resolution, and move it before the soft body. So now if we hit play, it should bend a bit more. Now there's a bunch of different options we can do for the soft body. One of them is here. Let's go to object. So here's the friction, simulation, strength, self collision, solver. Oh, that's right. I forgot. We need to bake it. No. So expanding all these, we can see there's a bunch of different options. But to modify the type of soft body we want, it's here. It's the push and stretch. So bending is you'll kind of keep that shape. Um, yeah. So you'll keep that shape. Plasticity is the deformation. We have the damping. We have the push and pull. So let's say we change the damping to 0.1. Go here, play. And we can see it change. So now, even though it stopped moving, and then the cube collapsed on itself. But we can see that it's dynamic, right? That there is some movement to it. So some more advanced ways to do a soft body. You could actually create essentially flesh, or you could actually create body fat with it. So yeah, so just keep that in mind if you want to actually physically base characters and stuff. You would use a soft body in order to simulate that body fat. But this was just real quick on the soft body.